Welcome to Liliuokalani Gardens, a serene oasis nestled in the heart of Hilo, Hawaii. Named after Queen Liliuokalani, the last reigning monarch of the Hawaiian Islands, this breathtaking garden invites you on a journey through lush landscapes and tranquil waterways. As you step into the garden, you'll be greeted by a symphony of colors and fragrances, with vibrant blooms adjoining every corner. Take a leisure stroll along the winding pathways lined with swaying palms and exotic flora, and feel the gentle breeze carrying the scent of tropical flowers. Pause by the serene ponds where graceful koi fish glide beneath the surface, and the sound of cascading waterfalls creates a soothing melody. Marvel at the intricate bridges and pagodas that evoke a sense of ancient Japanese craftsmanship, a testament to the rich cultural heritage of Hawaii. Immerse yourself in the beauty of nature as you explore the expansive lawns and manicured gardens, each offering a unique vista to admire and photograph. Whether you are seeking a peaceful retreat or a scenic spot for a picnic with loved ones, Liliuokalani Gardens offers a sanctuary for relaxation and reflection. So come, wander through this botanical paradise and let the beauty of Liliuokalani Gardens captivate your senses and inspire your soul. Welcome to Rainbow Falls, a majestic wonder nestled in the heart of Hilo, Hawaii. As you approach, the thunderous roar of the cascading water fills the air, drawing you closer to nature's spectacle. The breathtaking sight of the water's mist is supposed to create vibrant rainbows, but this day was cloudy and we could not see the colors. With lush greenery framing the scene, this natural masterpiece is a sight to behold. Experience the awe-inspiring power and beauty of Rainbow Falls, another must-see destination on your Hilo adventure. Welcome to Lava Tree State Monument, where ancient lava flows have left behind a surreal forest of lava molds. As you wander through this enchanted landscape, towering lava formations stand as silent sentinels frozen in time. I already got you walking.
Star.
All around, there are beautiful flowers and plants to admire. Immerse yourself in the rich history and raw beauty of Lava Tree State Monument, a unique testament to the volcanic forces that shape Hawaii's landscapes.
See what Megan looks like? See what she's doing? Oh yeah.
Around the city of Hilo, there are lava vents and old lava flows. Neighborhoods have active vents, still letting out smoke into the air.
It's very dangerous to walk on this because it's hollow in some areas.
Some houses sit very close to danger because no one is certain when the next lava flows will happen next. The last stop of the day was Hale Beach Park. It used to be a major surfing beach for the locals, but was taken over by lava in 2018. After the landscape changed, less surfers frequent the black sand beach. Swimming, picnicking, or simply soaking in the natural beauty is still something to enjoy at Isaac Hale Beach Park, and it offers a slice of paradise for all to enjoy. Hilo is a very beautiful area of Hawaii, but is known to be a harder area to live in because of the lava activity, acid rain, and very rare tsunamis striking the coast. It is worth the time and money to visit. Thanks for joining us on another adventure